Hello friends, I am Rahul Sharma and I am back with a new vlog. We are currently exploring the aquarium and the fish you see right here has such a long nose. This one is called the elephant nose fish. Check out these large fish, they are staying perfectly still in the water. Meanwhile, my friend here is looking at them and joking about which one we should eat, saying they all look tasty. Don't mind him. These fish are absolutely stunning, and it's amazing to see how their speeds vary. The smaller the fish, the faster it seems to move. You can see some vibrant blues and bright orange swimming around. The habitat are incredible too, filled with plants and stones and trees that make everything look even more spectacular and amazing. If you enjoy this, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this ones. If you enjoying my vlogging style, please comment in the comment sections.